Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Settings, tap your name to open Apple ID because pending charges are tied to your account history. Once done, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular since the App Store needs network access to show pending items. You'll authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This confirms it's you and lets you view subscriptions and purchases. Don't skip authentication, because without it, you can't access payment or purchase details for cancellation. Next, navigate to Purchase History so you can see pending in-app purchases and their status. Once there, scan the list for items labeled Pending or Processing. These are the ones you can act on. Tap the specific purchase to open details. This lets you see developer info, date, and any cancel or report options. If you see cancel, use it right away. If not, choose Report a Problem to start a dispute with Apple, because some pending charges can be stopped before they finalize. To finish, tap Cancel on the pending purchase and confirm. This should halt the transaction immediately and prevent billing. If cancel isn't shown, use Report a Problem to file a refund or dispute. Choose the closest reason and provide concise details. Once submitted, allow some time for Apple to process the request and make sure to restart the App Store to refresh status. If the pending item remains after 24 hours, contact Apple support directly and be ready with screenshots and transaction details for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.